Hello, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you a small feature that YouTube has rolled out this week, and it's got to do with the chapters and the timestamps and chapters in videos. If you upload a longer video that has many sections in it, maybe you're showing a recipe or maybe it's a concert that you want to split the tracks, the audio tracks, you can do this now very nicely. And it's actually not very new. It's using a feature that people have been kind of hacking for a while and using in YouTube videos to show where to go in the video that is longer, where to go to different points like chapters. Well, YouTube has made this now official and you can actually do this very easily. And you may have seen it. I've seen this in a few videos over the last few months. It has rolled out like soft rollout in April, but now they have made it into the mainstream and given it to all of the creators. And it really just relies on this feature that you used to be able to do in the description of the video. You would put some timestamps and then you would put a title or a name for that particular section, and when you click on that timestamp it would take you to that piece of the video and start playback from that point. But now with the chapters, it actually improves the interface a bit and it shows you the chapter lines where they split on the play line, on the play progress bar of your video, and allow you to jump to it. So let me show you how you can do this. You need to do two specific things to opt into this. It's optional for everyone, of course. You can do it on your videos, but there are two conditions in order to see this new chapter feature. The first one is you need to start at 000. So you need to have a timestamp in your description with 00, and then you have to have at least 3 timestamps, at least 3 segments that are longer than 10 seconds each. This is the signal you give to YouTube that you want to turn on this feature to show the chapters. So let me just show you real quick how to do this. You just go to one of your videos. I have a video here that I published earlier this week, and you can see if I scroll on my line here, my video is 8 minute 51 long. I do not have the chapters on this progress bar here on the play bar, so I want to add chapters to my video because I'm showing a few things. So how do you do that? You go to YouTube Studio and you edit your description of the video, and somewhere in your description, past the first chapter, the first paragraph where you're describing what your video is about and everything else, and you know, SEO wise, you put keywords in there and so on. After that, you just put some space in here and you just put some timestamps and also some names of chapters or sections or segments you want to give. So let's start in my video. As I said, you need to start with a 000 sequence. And now if you don't actually go into showing a thing in the very first second of your video, you can just call this one introduction. Right, so that's the introduction of your video, and then you move on to another section. So now I'm just going to go in and type all of my sequence for this video. When you want to find out, you can play your video here and click on play it and watch it, and then you decide where another sequence starts and you write down the timestamp, and then you just go through it and add all of your chapters. So I'm going to just speed up my video and put all these in. All right, so I have inserted all of my timestamps, all of the chapters in my video, and the timestamp is in minutes and seconds. Now, obviously, if your video is longer than 1 hour, you want to add the hour timestamp as well. So you would have 00:00:00 here for the introduction. So I've just finished adding these now. So all you have to do is just click save your video, and then go on the live site and play the video and see if now it shows the chapter. So I'm going to go back to my published video here. I'm going to refresh the page and let's see. So now the video has started playing, and you probably have noticed now that my video has the chapters that I have just set. So obviously this is the introduction here, and as you scroll, you see the play progress bar is now split with this black space between the chapters. And as you move your mouse over the line, it will show the name of the chapter that you've given, and you can jump to that chapter and start playing from there. And this, if you're on a mobile phone or mobile app, it actually, when you put your finger on the bar and you let go, it will snap to the beginning of the chapter. So it's much easier to use on a phone screen because of the size of the screen. You can't actually scroll very accurately, so it will snap at the beginning of the chapter. So all the text you've added after the timestamp is showing now in the chapters of the video. And also, like before, if you go down on your description and open the show more link, you see all the timestamps you've added, and they still work here. If you click on them, 201, it just starts playback from there, and now also shows the name of the sequence or chapter in the bottom bar here next to the time, minute and second playback. It shows the name of the chapter you're on. So if I scroll past this one, you will see the name of the chapter stops here. So this is a very nice improvement, especially if you have like recipe videos or videos with multiple music tracks that you want to jump to them, and it really improves the experience without having to seek through the video. This is very nice, and it's of course optional, and YouTube have said that they are going to add some keyboard shortcuts to navigate these, and probably some more improvements, and they are encouraging people to add them to their videos. And I believe they will add a reminder during the upload process to remind creators to actually add these before they publish the video. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this, and if you didn't know about this, I hope this was useful to you. And if you enjoy my videos, feel free to subscribe, like, and share my videos, and see you next time.